अभी हमारे
सुरक्षा पुलिस करती है, इससे बड़ा गुनाह कुछ नहीं है इस देश के लिए। यह हमारा दुर्भाग्य है कि बलात्कारी का सुरक्षा पुलिस का है।
बलात्कारी संसद में, 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 तेरे देश में बलात्कारी संसद में, अमेरिका तेरे देश में देश की नारी रोती है, ये आजाद सोती है, देश की नारी रोती है, ये आजाद सोती है,
देश की नारी रोती है।
संसद हमारी जिसकी मम्मी है वो सरकार की कमी है, सोनिया जिसकी मम्मी है वो सरकार की कमी है, मनमोहन जिसका ताऊ है वो सरकार की ताऊ है, मनमोहन जिसका ताऊ है वो सरकार की ताऊ है। प्रियादत हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, प्रियादत हाय हाय, शीला दीक्षित हाय हाय, शीला दीक्षित हाय हाय, शीला दीक्षित हाय हाय, संजय निरुपम हाय हाय, सोनिया गांधी हाय हाय, सोनिया गांधी हाय हाय। अरे देश की जनता यहाँ है, सोनिया गांधी कहाँ है, देश की जनता यहाँ है, युवा नेता कहाँ है, देश की जनता यहाँ है, सोनिया गांधी कहाँ है, देश की जनता यहाँ है, युवा गांधी कहाँ है, देश की जनता यहाँ है, युवा नेता कहाँ है, प्रियादत हाय हाय, शीला दीक्षित, सुशील कुमार, सुशील कुमार, सुशील कुमार, सुशील कुमार, प्रिया दत्त, शीला दीक्षित.
What's your take on this?
No,
on the issue?
Coming from Kumar's,
I got it.
yeah, so it clashed. Now what they thought, Aam Aadmi thought that this is a residence rally with the candles and all.
Yeah.
But this is actually a Christmas dish which Steven keeps every year.
Everywhere, yeah.
That is the thing.
So actually, what's your take on the issue of rape?
Take is what, see, the basic thing is simple. We have to change the laws.
Yes.
Okay? So in 2005, the bill is pending in Parliament.
Yes.
And means it's up to them, MPs, all the parties, when they want some issues which they want regarding their salaries, FDI or quota bills, and reservation of castes, they always take up the issue. They extend sessions of Parliament according to their need. This thing happened when the Parliament was in session. They could have means extended the session.
Yes.
They didn't do it.
They did not do
They
it.
didn't do it, first thing. And regarding second thing is most important, the security given to VIPs. 30-40% of the police force is used in security given to the VIPs. Same can be utilized for the residents.
For the
ratio, you know what it is? The ratio is for one Neta, 3 cops, and for one public, for 550 public, 1 cop.
That's the ratio.
That's the ratio. So this has to change somewhere, somewhere it has to come and stop.
What do you think the ratio should be?
The ratio should be at
Approximately.
At least for 100 you give for 1 cop.
For one.
500, 550
Exactly.
you give 1 cop. So we have the capacity. There is the police force in place, but it's been utilized wrongly.
Wrongly. Okay.
Who's paying the taxes? The people are paying the taxes. It has to be for their security.
Exactly.
And when such thing happens, okay, these people are doing rallies and the MPs themselves. It's like it's their this. Did anybody raise a voice at that time before this one? So all this thing has to be considered.
Sure. Okay.
वो बोल रहे हैं हमारे पास फोर्स नहीं है अभी को फोर्स देने के लिए.
फोर्स तो है, वही यूज करना चाहिए. सिक्योरिटी तो वीआईपी की कम करो.
हाँ, वीआईपी की तरफ मंत्री का पीछे पुलिस को लगा दे रहा है. आम आदमी को सेफ्टी करने के लिए उनको पास फोर्स नहीं है. फोर्स है तो फोर्स बढ़ाओ.
Thank you very much. Thank you. What's your message to the present government?
Present government, what we're trying to say is a VIP.
Turn this way because of the light. Yeah.
The VIP people can get so much protection. What are we anything less? Are we contributing anything less to the society? We, the women of India, today here on the road, where is the government? Are they even trying to tell us anything? This is our message to each and everyone present in the government. We, the people who are working and contributing to the economy of the country, not the people who are sitting and making movies. We need to be protected, not them. Please pass this message on to whoever is responsible. Where is Sushil Kumar? He's supposed to be responsible for our nation. Where is he? Where is he for the protection of the country? What happened in Delhi? They have caught 4 people, right? What has happened to them? Are they hanged? Are they punished? They're still waiting for evidence. The evidence is out. People have identified. We want justice today.
Do you have to tell anything to the local representative?
The local representative should tighten the security of people. There should be more security for women. We walking on the road today, there are so many people. You come another day, this road is empty. We need more security, more people responsible towards the protection of women. We are the people who are contributing to society, and we need, it's our birthright. We cannot be denied our fundamental rights, and one of it is to protect ourselves.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.